Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an ignition switch in a Toyota Tacoma. First, gather your essential tools, including various screwdrivers and a steering wheel puller. Next, for your safety, disconnect the negative terminal from your vehicle's battery. Then, carefully remove the upper and lower steering column covers to access the ignition switch assembly. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old switch. Begin by locating and carefully disconnecting all electrical connectors attached to the ignition switch. These usually have small tabs you need to press. Next, use a small pick or a thin screwdriver to release the retaining pin or clip that holds the switch in place. Once released, gently slide the old ignition switch completely out of its housing. Take your time to avoid damaging any surrounding components. With the old switch out, it's time for the new one. Carefully align the new ignition switch with its housing and gently slide it into place until it's fully seated. Ensure the retaining pin or clip engages properly. Then, reconnect all electrical connectors, making sure each one clicks firmly into position. Before reassembling everything, perform a quick test to confirm the new switch functions correctly. You're almost done. Carefully reinstall the upper and lower steering column covers, securing them with all the original screws. Once the covers are back on, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Now, start your Tacoma to ensure the new ignition switch is working perfectly. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your fully functional vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.